Take a dustpan, a stocking, and a few drops of a specific substance. This set will make your windows shine like never before. You'll forget about streaks forever. Everyone dreams of clean windows, but you don't have to spend money on special cleaning fluids. A homemade spray will make your windows sparkling and there won't be a single streak on them. Before you learn my recipe, familiarize yourself with the method of cleaning windows with a dustpan. Many people don't know that it can be useful when cleaning glass. However, it has something that is very useful for this task. It can replace a squeegee when you don't have one. The rubber element is perfect for this. And the stocking? Nylon tights and stockings have a certain property. No streaks or streaks appear on windows polished with them, even after rain. So if you polish your windows with an old stocking after washing them, they will shine for weeks. The window cleaning solution itself should have one important ingredient. It prevents dust, dirt, or grime from settling on the windows. It also reduces the risk of streaks. A small amount is enough for the windows to stay clean even twice as long as usual. Pour half a liter of regular water into a container. Add half a cup of vinegar. Pour in a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon. And finally, add several drops of glycerin. If you don't have glycerin, you can use fabric softener or winter windshield washer fluid. These products contain glycerin. Windows washed with this solution are so clean that even a fly won't land on them. And that's literal. The scent of vinegar and lemon effectively repels insects. Flies, fruit flies, and even mosquitoes will not come near.